On this e-learning, we're going to have just a quick overview about the electronic form letters in WiseOption. It's basically the same concept that the regular form letters in WiseOption, but this time through an email message that is sent to your customers in a very easy few clicks that you can do through WiseOption. We're going to first show you here under Data. There's the eFormLetter Template Manager. That's the place where you can go and create the different categories. So here in this space you create categories of templates. You could have templates for your horse files, templates for customers, or templates for breeding contracts, breeding records, templates for flushes, embryo transfers, all the different positions. The important thing is when you create a category, you're going to have templates for that category. Like I said, it's up to you to create your own categories, and each one of those categories you can have your templates for those categories. The buttons down here refer to the categories that you can create or change a name, add a new category, change a name, or remove an existing category. To remove a category, a type of template, all the templates must be deleted and removed first. You cannot remove a category without removing the templates. But you're going to create your list of categories or types of templates in the list, and then you start creating your templates. You add a new template, and as soon as you click to add a new template and you add a new template, a screen pops up where you can edit that template format. In a different e-learning, we're going to explore more about how to do that. So here in the template manager, pretty much you're being introduced to the way that works categories and templates. Now, to use it, if you go to the horse file, for example, and you select any horse, WiseOption still remains with the regular form letters, where you can use your Word documents and print out documents. But now there's here this new button where you can use electronic form letters. So when you click here, it's kind of the same look as you have in the template manager, but here you would be able to select the category, get the template you want to use, and preview. When you click preview, that template is gonna pop up on your screen. This one here is just a quick fake one. So the preview of this, you can change data or add and change a couple of things in your editing. And you would have the email address from, you would have the subject that you want to put here, and from the emails that you can, send the message to. Just put the email addresses based on the records and the position that you start your electronic form letters. You will see that there are plus buttons, and when you see the plus buttons, there will be email addresses already being suggested to you based on the record that you have selected. So if there is email address in those records, you can use that directly. If not, you can click on the address book. We're going to explore more about this as well, but the address book is pretty much a shortcut that takes you to the address book linked to the customer table, where you can get all the email addresses and start building your list. Once you build your list, you just submit, and that list will come up here. You click on the send button and off you go by sending this. On this quick overview, I just would like also to give you an idea how to edit. You select here, I'm going to the actual template edition mode, where I can see all the variables. And you can customize just a regular. We are trying to mimic a little bit what Microsoft Word shows here. And you're going to have all the fields available here for your variables in your templates. I'm going to explore that a little bit more. This is just an overview about the form letters, electronic form letters, I should say. And we have two modes. The design mode is pretty much like a Word document, and the HTML mode, it's for those who are familiar with HTML language, so you can customize a little bit more and give them a more appealing look. Add images from the internet, use links and stuff like that. So if you are good with HTML or CSS3 style, you're going to have a very nice time with this. Otherwise, you can ask your webmaster or the person who designed the website for you to help you out with your templates. And this way you're going to have more flexibility to work with your templates. Once you have done your changes, you save and the template is ready to be used. From that point on, all you have to do is to point to a record, select the template and preview, which is going to merge the data, and then you can send the email message. It's going to be very easy, very, very easy for you to send hundreds of emails per month. And, you know, I would say dozens of emails per day. If you want to confirm ovulations or welcome letters or, you know, congratulate your customers about a positive flush or something like that, it's going to be very quick for you to be present and proactive with your customer communications. Now, when we are talking about records, for example, if I go to the mere management, which is a good example here, let's say the shipped, let's go to the stallion management and my shipped semen log. This is an old database with very old data, but that's okay. The point is that like regular templates, you would go select a record and you would go print form letters. Right here, we created a shortcut that takes you to electronic form letter shortcut. So you basically go to the log, select the record, click on the button, and of course here I should have first created my semen shipped template, and I would select that and I would preview, which would of course merge the data right away for me. I think I have put some variables in this test here. No, I haven't. But if I had done that, I think I'm going to show the same thing on the breeding log. I would put my information over here and hit send, and the email goes away. By the way, the from and subject are memorized, so you don't have to type it every time. The emails have to be selected, but from and subject will memorize per user per template. So let's take a visit now to the breeding log and see the same thing. I'm going here to the breeding log. I'm going to also say all dates, even it's a node thing. Let's get one here that is confirmed in full and a node database. Here it goes for my shortcut. I would select my letter and I would say preview. It's merging the data, and right after the merge, the editor is going to show up here to me. But as you can see, I have my data already merged, and I could just fill out and send. Of course, for you to send this email, you must have an internet connection on your main server, and everything is going to be managed. If you're in a central server with multiple terminals, everything is going to be managed by your server, and this way you won't have to have a specific settings on each one of the computers or place your templates in different locations or local terminals. We are taking care of this for you, everything through in a centralized WISE option. So today we learned more about the template manager for electronic templates in WISE option. We hope you enjoyed this feature, and we look forward to improving with more enhancements, as this is a new version. So if you guys have suggestions or anything else, create a support ticket and we'll be with you as soon as we can. Enjoy!